Good afternoon. My name is William Alexander Castellon Lopez. That is Quinto Mecánica A. How we know technology. Evolution of the computer. How does the node technology surround of the on-time node you obtaining? I technology both cell phone. I found the computer while take me home. I like about. High time the wind the computer of the right evolution I called item everything to the left of the crowd of the hyping I the notes you had. Of the COVID that is weight, either gravity, Spanish, and you are giving information. Of technology we do today, I will have the computer. Are you once inventing the third the home the money? When time the hand the money the function of the tone by means of weight or the minute or the timing? Of the wearing I dined, I held to the take, the protection, the work, etc. etc. What I the white I will come to it, or the white ain't I hoped or you navy or you like it. Um, I am 1964. I am now determined the road the mighty or the one entering. Circuit the day that generation the computer totally respected the internet the climate. I want the programming I the still the mighty or the light. Computer days start the generation. Computer totally. The first of the computer of the night overtake of the ability of the generation the computer the system the warming the protein the microwave manning I hyping. They debated the ones night eight two. Its objective the wine determine the name of power. It However, determine the flash screen the comment the property and the com the right the point and 70 optional the tar the format to 2 I 70 or try 50 gigabytes. How the timing of the recipe dice of 400 gigabytes. Y 2010 to 10 high to generation computer. The most I computer the fluency on the time the computer the programming the wishes allow the to be correct and the COVID and the teraton the processing the capacity and the law. Eso ha sido todo, bro. Espero les haya gustado y se haya hecho agrado. Gracias.